Summer Teacher 7, Mr. Barry here. Today is day number 3 for our summer trip to Japan. And today we're going to Mizuno Bunka Mura, which is a water park. And we'll be traveling there by bicycle. In fact, we'll be using the bicycles we bought yesterday for this trip. Mizuno Bunka Mura is only 14 kilometers away, and we should get there in about a half an hour to 45 minutes. Well, let's go. We decided to take a very scenic route and enjoy some of the sights surrounding Chikagawa. We did this by taking the bike path. And here we're crossing over the Chikagawa or the Chikagawa River. It's a beautiful sight. And this is Road 33. In the distance you can see the hills, and that's the Minoyama. Now the water park that we're going to is the central zone of cultural village of Ohamegi Water, where people learn while enjoying the relationship between water and people, water and living things, and they can feel the importance of water, the wonder of water, and even the beauty of water again through this experience. We rode our bikes from way over there by Minoyama, that distant mountain that you see over there. Now, after visiting the water park, we decided to go in and play around in this other park next to it with this wonderful slide. That was a lot of fun for the boys.
Oh god. Oh god. He's zooming down incredibly fast. And he makes it. Takes off running. Look at that. Excellent work. Give him the thumbs up. Great work.
This video a thumbs up, share, comment down below because I love to read your comments. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and bye-bye.